All right, a new one. Listen to this. You hear that? Let's get it running. Maybe. I had it tilted, so. Oh, gotta put the spark plug back in because I had it tilted. So anyway, it's not as bad as it looks. We're going to take it over to the cleanup pile. And I'll show you what's going on. Sounded like a loose blade at first, but you guys have already figured it out. I'll disconnect the spark plug again. Right here. It's been scraping on the grass. So I'm going to just take a picture of this for my friend. Well, there we go. Let's just sweep that up. See what we end up with. We did the oil at the same time. So let me just get that oil swept up and then we'll clean this up.